Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro features for free. Along the years, CapCut has seriously been adding all the normal features that we use, such as the auto caption, more effect, animation, filters, to their Pro version, and it's really getting so annoying. So if you're looking for ways to get back those features that you normally use in CapCut for free, keep watching this video and let's get started with this video. If you've got the latest version of CapCut, you simply see almost all the tools there for the Pro version, and I'm not leaving out the most annoying watermark in the world. So in this video we're going to bring back the old CapCut that we usually know, and for that we're not going to get it from CapCut.com. But before I proceed with downloading any software at all, I will go ahead to uninstall the CapCut that I have presently. So if you have a CapCut installation already, follow my steps to uninstall the CapCut right away. To do that, go to your search panel and search for Control, and over here I'm going to click on the Control panel option. Now from here I'm going to click on the uninstall a program. From this window you can scroll all the way to look at CapCut, or you can as well search for CapCut right here. But for me, I can simply see CapCut over here, so I'll just click on that, and then of course I'm going to click on this button that says uninstall/change. So I'll click on that, and then of course I grant the permission to uninstall the software. Are you sure to uninstall CapCut? Yes, I'm pretty sure. And CapCut is uninstalling, and it's going to take just about a few seconds, and there we go, CapCut is gone. And you can see the confirmation over here, CapCut is completely gone. So I'm going to close this panel, and now we can introduce an older version of CapCut. There are websites that we can download an older version of CapCut, and then we can have back all the features that we normally enjoy using with CapCut. So it's pretty simple to do that. I'll open up a new tab, and then I'm going to search for download CapCut. So I'm going to search for download CapCut from up to down. So make sure you enter the keyword up to down. So make sure you're going through the link from uptodown.com. So I'm going to go from the second one right here. So I'm going to click on that. You actually should be mindful of where you download things from the internet, because downloading older softwares or cracked softwares can easily lead you to downloading a malware onto your PC. There are different kinds of malware that you can download onto your PC without knowing. You can download a keylogger, you can download a rat, you can download whatsoever kind of virus onto your PC, and then your PC is going to get hacked. When it comes to up to down, their software is totally guaranteed. But I'm not going to work with that, because after I download this, I'm also going to verify that the file that I just downloaded is super clean before I proceed to install it onto my PC. So let's go ahead and download an older version of CapCut. And over here you can see the button get the latest version. Of course, if I had to get the latest version, I'll simply go to the platform of CapCut.com and I click on download to download the latest version. But the issue with this is that the latest version has almost all the features for the paid plan. So I'm not going to download from here, and obviously I'm not going to use this button right here. But if I look beside the button, I can see another button that says older versions. So I'm going to click on that. And if I scroll a little bit down, I'm going to see a whole lot of older versions of CapCut. And you can as well click on see more to see more earlier versions. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to version 3.2. So this is particularly my favorite version right here. So I'm going to download this version 3.2.0. So I'm going to click on that. And as if I scroll a little bit down, I can now see the download button for the version 3.2.0. So I'm going to click on that, and our download has just started and it's done already. So this file is an exe file, but before I run this exe file onto my PC, I'm going to make sure that this file is clean enough to be installed onto my PC. To do that, open up another tab and open virustotal.com. I'm also going to leave the link in the description of this video. Now with the VirusTotal platform, you can scan any file, you can as well scan any URL from the internet. To scan this file, I'm going to make sure I'm at the file tab right here, and I'm going to click on choose file. And of course, I'm going to select the file I just downloaded right now, and there is checking. So, and now let's wait for the result. And now you can see no security vendors flagged this file as malicious. and all other types of malware that we have right here are simply undetected on this file. So that's why I actually trust the up to down platform. Okay, so I'm now good to go. This file is clear enough, so I'm going to click on this download history right here, and of course I'm going to double click on this exe file to simply run the installer. Of course, I'm going to grant the permission. There we go. The installer wizard is now up. It's basically installing right away. And now the installation is complete. You can see your computer can run CapCut smoothly. So whenever you see this message, I think you should be happy, right? So I'm going to click on confirm. And with that, the installation is complete. So let's see if the software is going to come up. Yeah, there we have it. So that's pretty much how to install CapCut for free onto your PC, and you can also get back access to the features you normally use for free. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question as well, leave it in the comment section, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.